In the previous classes, we were discussing about the chapter Integers, exercise 1.1. Today we can study question number 4. A plane is flying at a height of 5000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? See, imagine that this is our sea level and we can mark the sea level as 0. This is our flight and it is 5000 meter above the sea level. So this distance is 5000 meter, and at a particular point the submarine is 1200 meter below the sea level. So here is our submarine and the distance from the sea level is 1200 meter. What is the vertical distance between them? See, now the flight and the submarine. We want to find the distance in between flight and the submarine. So before starting this, we should think one case. See, this is our number line and this is the point 0. Radha covers 13 kilometer from the point 0. So Radha is here. Radha is here and Rama covers 16 kilometer. Rama covers 16 kilometer from the point 0. This is Rama. Radha is at the point 13 and Rama is at the point 16. What is the distance between Radha and Rama? How will we find out this? See, 16 minus 13 will be giving us the distance between Rama and Radha, isn't it? So, 16 minus 13 will be giving us the distance between Rama and Radha. So, 3 kilometer is the distance between Rama and Radha. So, again, one more case. Now, this is a point 0, 5, Rama is at the point 5 and Radha is at the point minus 2. So now how can we find out the distance between Radha and Rama? In the same way as we did earlier, we can find out distance between Rama and Radha by subtracting 5 minus 2, isn't it? Minus 2 is coming, 5 is coming instead of 16 and here minus 2 is coming instead of 13. So how can we subtract these two numbers? Subtraction should be changing into addition and take the additive inverse of the second number. Additive inverse of 2 minus 2 is plus 2. So 7 is the distance between Rama and Radha. Okay. Here, in this case, flight is above the sea level and submarine is below the sea level. So, first step is height of the flight. Height of the flight. height of the flight equal to 5,000, positive 5,000 meter, and depth of the submarine equal to, see, this is the point 0, and above the sea level we will mark positive integers, and below the sea level we will mark negative integers. So depth of the submarine will be negative 1,200 meter. In the same way, we found the distance between -2 and positive 5. See, positive 5 minus -2. In the same way, here we can do distance between flight and the submarine. Distance between them. Them means flight and the submarine. Equal to, see, 5 minus of -2. Like that, 5,000 minus of -1,200. This can be written as 5,000. Since it is subtraction, we should change it into addition and taking the additive inverse of the second number. So additive inverse of -1,200 will be positive 1,200. So the answer will be 6,200 is the distance between flight and the submarine. I hope you enjoyed my class. If you have any doubt about this question, definitely ask to me through comment box. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and support me. Signing off, Femi Bijoy from Max Ninjas.